Sepsis burden and future prospects. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Sepsis embodies a major and pressing global health crisis, characterized by a worrying prevalence of morbidity and mortality. In addition to significant economic impacts that place considerable burdens on healthcare infrastructures globally, the mortality rates observed within hospital settings can fluctuate considerably, ranging from a remarkable 25% to a distressing 50%. With such discrepancies being particularly pronounced in low-income countries, where healthcare assets may be limited. To adequately confront this pressing challenge, it is essential to enhance data collection methodologies, promote the sharing of clinical knowledge among healthcare professionals, and emphasize the vital importance of timely intervention to improve patient outcomes. The Surviving Sepsis campaign highlights the critical need for the adoption of early management approaches, even in the absence of definitive identification of the specific infectious agent, as this can profoundly influence treatment efficacy. In this context, the establishment of standardized clinical guidelines and the formal acknowledgement of sepsis as a distinct pathological entity can significantly improve overall care delivery and enhance patient outcomes on a global scale. Organizations such as the Global Sepsis Alliance, alongside various other health initiatives, actively strive to raise global awareness and mobilize efforts against the sepsis epidemic. Furthermore, it is crucial that public health initiatives are executed in parallel with personalized treatment strategies tailored to the individual needs of patients, as this dual approach is essential in mitigating the global burden of sepsis and promoting enhanced recovery rates for those affected. The implementation of robust and effective public health interventions will be vital in supporting ongoing research endeavors and the development of targeted therapies, ultimately assisting patients suffering from sepsis in transitioning from a condition of critical illness and potential mortality to one of recovery and improved health. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.